So guys, today we are still cooking. Now breakfast. Fumerosi. A lot of eggs. We are still waiting on tomatoes. Where did these people get these tomatoes?
Those tomatoes, they seems to be fresh.
Yeah. Oh, this one's super good. Let's see how will this one fit.
What do you call it? This lettuce?
Is lettuce from iceberg lettuce.
Iceberg lettuce. Then by you guys.
The what?
The song in the background. What one is for August? The time of hero celebration in Namibia. Now we want to hear the Christmas carol, guys.
Songs are. No, I think so. We just go. It is like representing Mashikuku.
The yellow pepper.
I wrap it in this plastic because I don't use the whole. And I'll use it again.
And it means that to retain the freshness?
Yeah.
Oh. Interesting. Just to be one of the
I think to
unique breakfast I will have today.
Yeah, but I don't think I'll cut for you red onion, guys. I don't think you want red onion this early morning. Yeah. Eggs. Now what else do we need?
You want to do the what?
The vinegar.
Spinach and what else?
Vinegar, soy sauce. Okay, this is the vegetable platter.
With love,
yeah,
from Chef Sophie.
Yeah.
Doing the setup.
No, we need something savory.
Okay, then that could be chakalaka.
Oh, chakalaka,
no? Yeah. But do we really need to warm it?
Do we need to warm it?
Or you need it?
Do we microwave it?
Maybe, if it's possible.
You can't go that.
Without
fruits all the time, so we just need a bit of lemon. There.
Should I?
The only thing I would say
with the no, that's
you
the
always eat on the table. But I said
Yes, I want to set up with
you eat in the bed?
yes.
Oh, no.
However, I said I'm out of town. I'll come today and not yet. But I will arrive today, yes, I will. But I have checked this area.
Yeah, it's just also you are also just saying
Respect
the
also the bedroom.
and because you are also
Shivolo. But normally Abraham can be said.
Can I just?
One video on my daughter.
But on my phone, I got that.
Rosemary. I think rosemary is like your favorite.
Yeah, it's this small one is better.
Oh yeah. For me, I love to eat small portions at a time. Then I'll go for the next one.
You guys need bread. Because I'm
Yes.
not seeing no bread now. Okay.
Yes. Maybe brown.
And then guys, when you see this video, donate cups. I don't need cups.
Donate what?
Donate cups. I need cups. The thing that prevents me from having cups is this. I'm looking for the perfect cup. And then I still did not find that cup that. Ohara green tea. Alina. You want me and Neros?
I want green tea.
Rooibos tea.
I began to have a fresh every morning to come eat. What's your neighbor day?
I want to try it.
I want somebody
So they begin now.
Oh, yes. Oh, how do you feel like that?
Ankonda.
Yes.
Ankonda.
That's it.
Yango situation lazima. Yes.
Kacha tapome mandro mangi agaga tubiaga msiaga rafiki wap. No necesita tango hawi. Otra poita mun una tawi mandro mama. Pai pa tawi mandro mangi. Na tawi mandro mata wiki.
Tawi hiki?
Eh. Mangi aga donde.
Yeah, it's a playground.
For them it's a
But
playground.
it's a playground.
It's a nice one. I like it.
But it would be.
Yeah.
Yeah, you what you want. I do what you want.
Just one.
Fresh directly from the garden to your stomach, my dear. Fresh.
Guys, I just harvested these veggies from my garden in the morning, so you can also do it.
Oh, no, I'm not on.
I think I should say slow it down.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's okay, I'm just taking